झारखंड एक बहुत ही समृद्ध स्टेट है, बहुत ही उसकी विरासत है और वहाँ पर हम फिर से अपील करेंगे कि सब वोटर्स अधिक से अधिक मात्रा में वोट दें। Schedule would be like this. Jharkhand would be in 2 phases. The date of poll, first phase would be on 13th November, and the second phase would be along with Maharashtra on 20th November. So the date of issue of notification for Jharkhand phase 1 would be 18th, and for phase 2 would be 22nd, along with Maharashtra. Nominations for phase 1 would be till 25th of October, and for phase 2, 29th. This slide we will share with everyone. And date of poll would be 13th November and 20th November, both Wednesdays. And date of counting would be 23rd 11, that is Saturday. With this, we end our presentation with the request that through you, that all the voters of Jharkhand and Maharashtra कृपया बाहर आइए, कृपया वोट करिए। लोकतंत्र के उत्सव में आपकी भागीदारी कि हम बहुत ही रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, अपील करते हैं आपसे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।